Triumph motorcycles are expanding their hugely popular small-capacity single-cylinder lineup once again with the introduction of the new Trackr 400. Designed to sit alongside the brand's existing 400cc models, the Trackr blends retro-inspired style with modern engineering, aimed at riders looking for character, usability, and everyday performance in a lightweight package. At the heart of the Trackr 400 is a lightly revised version of Triumph's 398cc TR series single-cylinder engine. Thanks to a higher rev limit, a new camshaft profile, and updated engine tuning, the motor now delivers a noticeable boost in top-end performance. Triumph claims a 5% increase in peak power, with output rising to 41.4 brake horsepower at 9,000 RPM. Fuel comes from a 13-liter tank, helping to balance performance with practicality. Despite the added performance, the engine remains approachable and user-friendly. Triumph says that 80% of the peak torque figure of 37.5 Newton-meters is available from just 3,000 RPM, ensuring strong low and mid-range pull. Power is delivered through a 6-speed gearbox with a torque assist clutch and a ride-by-wire throttle, which also enables switchable traction control. The bike features a semi-digital instrument cluster and a USB-C port for charging devices. Chassis and ergonomics have been reworked to suit the Trackr's more aggressive, flat track-inspired stance. Rolling on 17-inch wheels shod with Pirelli MT60 RS tires, the riding position is wider and more elbows out than the Speed 400. The handlebars are 23 millimeters wider and 134 millimeters lower, while the foot pegs have been moved 86 millimeters further back and 27 millimeters higher, creating a more engaged and sporty feel. Suspension duties are handled by 43 millimeter upside-down forks, offering 140 millimeters of travel at the front, with 130 millimeters of rear-wheel travel at the back. Braking hardware includes a single 300 millimeter front disc with a 4-piston radial caliper, complemented by a 230 millimeter rear disc with a single-piston floating caliper. ABS is fitted as standard at both ends, adding confidence for newer riders. The Trackr 400 features a manageable 805 millimeter seat height and a claimed wet weight of 173 kilograms. The new model promises to be agile, accessible, and fun, reinforcing Triumph's growing presence in the small-capacity motorcycle market while offering a distinctive alternative within the 400cc range.